CP Sourcing app also gives you the option to share sales kit with the channel partner. For this, there are multiple ways in which you can share the documents with the channel partners. First way is click on the CP card or the CP with whom you want to share the project details. Here, there is a share sales kit option. Click on it. Select the project for which details you want to share with the channel partner. And here, based on the project details which are updated, you can select the project details, click on share selected, and you can share all the details via email or WhatsApp. I'll show you one more scenario for a different project. Here, as you can see in this particular project, there is floor plans, brochures. So let's say if you want to share multiple documents, you can share as per your requirement. Click on share selected, and then you can forward via WhatsApp or you can share it over email if the email ID is added for that particular channel partner. There is one more way through which you can share all the project details with the channel partners. Here, click on the tab which says more, click on projects, and here there is a share button. Select the documents which you want to share. Now here, click on the share with CP option. Select the CP with whom you want to share the details. Select WhatsApp or email, and then you can proceed in sharing the project details with the channel partner.